Hello guys! You don't know what to do? Come, take a look and watch our video on how to make herbarium.
So, for the process of herbarium, we need to sample and collect, dry, press, and the last one, mount and label. Before we begin, let's take a look at what materials that you will need. For sample and collecting, you will need sketchers, plastic bag, and foam. For drying and pressing, you will need wooden block, rope, tissue or newspaper, and sellotape. And for mounting and leveling, you will need glue, needle and thread, and drawing block. Now, let's begin our herbarium process with sampling and collecting.
Specimen should be collected as whole, which is small size or part of the plant, such as leaf, flower, or fruits. You should pick a healthy specimen and put it into a plastic bag.
Next is the drying process. All you need to do is clean the surface of the specimen, dry the specimen under a fan or at a room temperature for a while, and avoid exposing the specimen direct to the hot sunlight to prevent spoilage.
Next is the pressing process. Insert the specimen in between newspaper. In the video, I use cellophane tape to make sure the specimen does not move during the pressing process. However, this can cause your specimen to tear later, especially for thin leaves. Instead, you can use baking paper and cellophane tape to avoid the direct contact of cellophane tape on the specimen. Put the mounted specimen in between cardboards, wooden frames, or books. Leave the specimen to be pressed for 2 to 21 days.
Mount the specimen using suitable adhesive like sellotape, thread, or glue on the drawing block, but we use mostly glue and thread. Avoid too much overlapping between parts of the specimen. The last one in this process is labeling the information.
Do's and don't. You should ensure you clean the specimen immediately after picking. When pressing the specimen, ensure enough force is applied to avoid contact between air and the specimen. Furthermore, make sure the specimen is classified correctly. Avoid overlapping formations between parts of the plant when arranging a specimen. Also, avoid sneaking over the specimen during the pressing period.
And here are the example of the finishing product of herbarium. Now, you can make it album or hang it on the wall. Good luck guys!